This MathCast is intended for grade 2. The learning objective is solve additions with up to 4 add-ins with totals within 200, with and without 2 compositions of larger units, created by Pamela Gleisner. Some need-to-know vocabulary is addition, or add, and this is to combine, to put together 2 or more quantities. Add-ins, numbers that are added together to make a sum. Sum, the result of adding 2 or more numbers. Here, I have a sample question. Here is your addition symbol. Your add-ins would be 2 and 3. And then the sum, which is the answer, would be 5. How to make 10 ones or 10 tens. Here are 2 sample questions we'll be working with. The first one we'll look at is 5 plus 5 plus 7 equals blank. First, we'll take 5 plus 5 because that makes a 10. Then, we will bring down our 7 into our new equation. 7 plus 10 equals 17. Next, we'll be working with 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6 equals blank. Now we need to look at all 4 of these numbers and find some that equal 10. So we know that 2 and 8 equal 10. We also know that 4 and 6 equal 10. That gives us our new equation of 10 plus 10 equals 20. Here are 2 more sample questions, just working with larger numbers this time. Our first question is 25 plus 25 plus 17 equals blank. If we were to look at both 25s, we know that 25 plus 25 equals 50. In that case, we would bring down our 17 into our problem. So then we can easily add up 50 plus 17, which equals 67. Our next question is 32 plus 24 plus 18 plus 46. Now we're looking to make easy tens. So 32 and 18 equal 50. 24 and 46 equal 70. 50 plus 70 equals 120. In this sample question, we'll be using the table at the top. The table shows the top 6 soccer teams and their total points scored this season. Question A, how many points did the yellow and orange teams score together? Here, we can see that the yellow team has scored 38 points, and the orange team has scored 52. So we are going to add those 2 numbers. 38 plus 52 equals 90. When we're doing a question like this, we also want to make sure that we are labeling. So not only does 38 plus 52 equal 90, it also equals 90 points to answer our question. Part B. How many points did the yellow, orange, and blue teams score together? Here's our yellow, orange, and blue. So we know that we have to add 38 plus 52 plus 76. We know that 38 and 52 equals 90. 90 plus 76 equals 166. And we can't forget to add the points. Part C. How many points did the red, green, and black teams score together? So here we have red, green, and black. So we will have to add all of those together. 29 plus 41 plus 24 equals 29 and 41 equals 70. 70 plus 24 equals 94 points. Part D. Which two teams scored a total of 70 points? So we need to come up to our table and see if we can find two numbers that will equal 70 points. Now, if we look at green and red, if we take those two numbers together, they would equal 70. So our answer is green and red. To show our work, we would write down 41 plus 29 equals 70. Part E. Which two teams scored a total of 100 points? We're going to come back up to our table and look for two numbers that could equal 100. Here we have a 76 and a 24. Those two numbers would equal 100. So our answer would be blue and black. Showing our work, that would be 76 plus 24 equals 100. Thank you for watching.